Okay guys, it's been an hour. I think we should check up on it. I don't know. I don't think it's worked. Like, I already got another bowl ready because I'm gonna actually pour it into here. So let's see. Did this work? No. It looked like pancake mix almost type thing. Like, I don't know. It looks disgusting. Okay, so it didn't work. I kept it in the fridge for an hour. I might have to keep it in for a day, so I'm also gonna try that. But I have a feeling I didn't mix enough. That's probably why. I'm gonna put that there. And it there. Let's try it. Let's try. Okay, so it only looks gloppy. It's very gloppy, that's all I can say. So it just looks like it was. I don't know why, but it just does. My dad's here, I have no idea what he's doing. Mixy. Should I add water? I'm gonna add a bit of water. Like, that's not sure. Will this work? Let's see. Okay, it does not look like it worked. But now it's very runny. Shouldn't have done that. Actually, I'm gonna add a lot of water. I'm gonna add water gazillion. Add food coloring, I would make it red. So I'm gonna add, I have so much water in it. Look at that now. Just looks like normal dishwashing soap now. But the twist is that I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So when you see how this thing looks frozen, then I'm gonna take a hammer or something and bash it on camera, guys. Watch out for that. It's gonna be. I'm gonna try look for safety glasses. It's gonna be tomorrow, so you guys are gonna have to watch out for that. So let's put this thing on in the freezer. Yeet. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put this on the highest freezer. Dad, could you help?
Okay. You did it?
So, we're gonna see how long it's gonna take for that thing to get frozen. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna go play computer games and stuff like that. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeet. Hope you guys enjoy your day. It is nighttime, boss. See you guys later.